Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be on products. I get this question all the time. What product should I be using? And this can be a very difficult question. I'm going to talk about it in today's video, but before I do, please join the Curl Factory family, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on social media. The Curl Factory is really a channel that comes from my personal experience, and I'm just sharing my journey, and I just put my camera on and I come and I share with you guys. I come from a place, or rather I grew up coming from a place where if your skin looked really good or if your hair looked really good, the immediate question is, what products do you use? And I also come from a place or a community or society that believes that if you use this product and it works for you, then it's definitely going to work for me. On my natural hair journey, I really figured out that what works for you or what products work for you might not work for me. It really is a journey of trial and error. So for all you guys that keep asking me what products I must use, the Curl Factory really is a place that is about healthy hair. Do I do product reviews? Absolutely. Do I try out different products? Yes, I do. But I honestly do that so that you guys can see how products work before you go out and buy them. So for me, it's about having a wash day routine, about practicing healthy hair habits. If your hair is damaged or if your hair isn't 100% natural, the best products on the market are not going to give you the results that it's going to give me or somebody else who has healthy hair. You're going to go out, buy it, and then say, oh, the Curl Factory told me to buy this, but it doesn't work. Now, I'm talking about this coming from a place where your hair isn't healthy. Products enhance and help your hair to shine. If your hair is damaged, that product is not going to be able to do what it's designed to do. So I just want to encourage you guys, before you think about products and this product and that product, oh, that's a cheap product, that's expensive product, make sure that you have a wash day routine and you're on a journey to healthy hair. All of these products that we're talking about is only going to enhance what you already have. And that brings me to another point, is products enhance what you already have. Accepting your natural hair, accepting your curl pattern is a journey that we all on. But if I use a product and I get certain results from the product, you think, oh wow, if I go out and buy it, I'm going to get the exact same results as Raquel. Your hair isn't like mine, you're not going to get my results. Now, even within families, even if you have brothers and sisters, nobody's hair is the same. Hair is so individual. It's part of our individual DNA. So I have a sister, we both have curly hair. Our hair isn't the same. What works for her doesn't work for me. What works for me doesn't work for her. Are there some products that we both really like? Absolutely. So this journey is a journey of trial and error. But when it comes to trial and error, this is something I do want to address that I found in the natural hair community. The problem I want to address, and I am calling it a problem, I'm personally calling it a problem, is trying out every single product on the hair shelf. I know it's such an exciting space to be in, and it's so exciting to be natural, and you go to Clicks and you go to Dis-Chem and you want to try everything. I've been there, but remember, my journey started in 2013. If you've just started your journey, if you're 1 or 2 years natural, give yourself some time, even 3 or 4 years. Give your hair a chance. Buy a product, use it for 2 to 3 months, and then see if it works on your hair. Try another product. If you chopping and changing and you're using this, I don't like this, I'm using this. Yes, there are certain products you can use on the first or second time and know that it's not for you. But I personally have used products at the beginning of my journey, revisited it 5 years later, 6 years later, and it was a bit different. So I'm going to say, be very careful before you kind of knock certain products off. As I said, there are 1 or 2 where you know immediately that your hair doesn't like. And an example that I love to share, and I will keep on sharing this, is DevaCurl. The hype is so real when it comes to that brand. Everybody raves about it. I bought it. I was natural, 100% natural.
bought it, tried the no poo, really didn't like it. I didn't even understand the way the no poo was designed. I was like, this co-wash is horrible. I tried the gels, I tried the whole range, and after 2 weeks I put it aside and I was very disappointed because it is a high-end product. I continued on my journey, and something I'll share with you guys as well. When I was natural, my go-to products were actually the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. That was a standard for me. The shampoo, I know it's a clarifying shampoo, but it worked on my hair. Even the deep conditioner as well. My leave-in, my go-to leave-in was the Aunt Jackie's Girls, the detangling moisturizer, the daily one, the pink one for girls. That was my go-to leave-in conditioner. And when it came to styling, I didn't really worry so much about styling, but my go-to stylers back in the day, oh, what were they? To be honest with you, I can't really remember, but I would use the Color Enhancing Smoothie. I found out that really wasn't for me. I also tried out lots of international gels, stuff like Ouidad and Berigio. Because I used to buy, my products online as well. Nothing South African, no South African stylers when I started out on my journey. So as I said, I put DevaCurl aside. After about 6 months, I said, oh my gosh, these products are going to expire. Let me give this another go. And I said, okay, for 2 to 3 months, I'm going to use this every single week and I'm going to finish it. The goal was to finish the products. After the 3rd, 4th, 5th week, I was like, this is really good. It took my hair about 5 to 6 weeks to really start appreciating the brand. So what I'm trying to say to you guys is give products a chance. And finally, guys, it's basically trial and error. You've got to use a product, see if your hair likes it and doesn't like it. I do have videos on my channel on my favorites. You guys keep messaging me about products. All I can do is send you videos on my favorites, what my hair likes and what I'm liking at the moment. I cannot look at a picture of your hair and tell you go and buy these products, because you're going to buy them, they're not going to work for your hair, because I have no idea where you are on your journey and I just don't know the porosity of your hair. Even if you tell me the porosity of your hair, I really don't know what's going on with your hair or your hair journey. You've got to figure it out, guys. And I know it sounds a little bit harsh, but you've got to find out, do I like the lock method? Do I not like it? Should I be switching things around? Give products a chance, really try them. And as I said, all I can share with you is what works for me, and you can watch my videos. If your hair looks similar to mine, give it a go. If it doesn't work, pass it on to the next natural with somebody else in your family. That's it, guys. I'm gonna wrap up this video on products. I hope you enjoyed it. Be open-minded. Give your hair a chance, give products a chance, and continue enjoying the journey of just trying out new products. Thanks once again. Drop your comments down below also and tell me what products you use, and I'll see you again. Take care.